Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be making this vegetable fried rice and beef and turkey. So yes, this is the second fried rice video I have on my channel. I'm going to put the first one in the description box as well. So this one is the vegetable fried rice. I have loads of vegetables in this particular recipe. So yes, let's just get to it. And if you're new to the channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and like this video, guys. It will mean a lot to me. So let's get started. For protein today, I'll be using both beef and turkey. If you haven't tried combining turkey and beef for your meat stock, you really should give it a go. The flavor you get from the meat juices is absolutely amazing. I know the cooking times differ. Turkey cooks faster and becomes tender quickly, so you want to remove it from the pot first and then the beef continue cooking. But by then, the turkey would have already released its delicious juice. This combination is perfect, especially if you're making jollof rice or fried rice. The meat stock you get from both proteins is simply like heavenly. You should give it a try. So yes, after cooking the after blending my onions, garlic, ginger, I put it in, and then the remaining spices. I'm going to put the list of all the ingredients that I'm going to be using, and the spices. Everything is going to be in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. So I like to just, you need to season your protein very well, because this will actually determine the quality and the flavor you will be getting from your meat stock. So like you have to season it in a way that it will not be too much. Do you understand? Just the right portion for the quantity you are making. This is quite a lot. I know it doesn't look like that in the camera, but trust me, it's a lot. Like you can see that I'm even struggling to mix it. That's for you to know how much it is. So moving on to the ingredients, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'll be using. So that is so we have green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. Um, this is turkey cuts. Already washed and cleaned turkey cut. Sweet corn, green peas, spring onions, carrots, prawns. I added to the prawns, but I think I'm still going to show that on camera. Carrots, green peas, green pepper, um yeah, everything is just going to be in the description box, guys. For the turkey cut, I already washed and cleaned, and now it's time for me to season it. I'll just season and then leave it and set it aside to marinate. I've added salt. Now this is paprika powder. I'll be adding my seasoning powder. I'll also add white pepper, black pepper. I'll mix it together and just set it aside while I would continue preparing other ingredients. So yes, this is me adding the onions and garlic, ginger as well into the turkey cuts, just so that I have like really flavorful turkey cut. So for this turkey cut, you can either fry it or air fry it, but me, I air fried because we're on fit farm journey in my house. So yes, moving on to the vegetable, guys. Ever since I got this vegetable cutter, life saving, like it has made fried rice become so easy to make. So if you can afford to buy it, please just try to get it. And one thing I really like about it is the consistency. Like it just cuts everything, makes it really beautiful and easy. It is so easy to use. So you should try to, like, I use it for everything, guys, even okra. So yes, so I just thought to talk about it. I got it on Amazon, by the way. So if you want to get it, you should also try to check it out. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah, I put my pepper together because if you want, guys, you can just do yours separately. Yeah, I also use the vegetable cutter for my carrot as well. So now back to our protein. I already removed the turkey at this time because, like I said, they don't have the same cooking time. Your beef and your turkey doesn't have the same cooking time. So I already removed it. Now I'm spicing my prawns. So every other I'm using the spices that I used for the turkey cuts, just my seasoning powder, paprika, black pepper, white pepper, and yes, I'm just going to season this as well, mix it together with my hands, and just set it aside. So the protein is ready now. I'm just going to pop it into the oven. You can deep fry or air fry or just whatever you want to do with yours. Just do that. Moving on to the rice, I'm going to I like to build flavor, so I've added my butter, melting it, and I've added my vegetable oil as well. This is just to build flavor. Now I'm adding my onions, and into that onions I have ginger and garlic as well. I'll allow it simmer and then add thyme before adding my washed rice. So for today's fried rice, I'm using the basmati rice. If you're not new to this channel, you know that I'm not really a fan of basmati rice, but I don't live alone, and people that I live with they they don't mind, and we have it at home, so why not? We have to eat it. So I just try to use it for some special, like for fried rice and maybe coconut rice, and yeah. So one secret about your fried rice, if you want it to last long, you should try toasting it. There is no way you would toast your fried rice and it will become it will get bad quickly. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you toast your fried rice, it lasts longer. Trust me. So aside from the fact that I have added curry now, as you guys saw me adding curry, even if I did not have to add the curry at this point, the rice would have changed color because I toasted it. Like I'll just keep mixing it till it becomes really really toasted. So yes, now this is me. I've added the meat stock and I'm just sieving the residue out of the stock. Then I'll add water. This is basmati rice. It doesn't need a lot of water, so you have to be very careful. Now I'm adding my seasoning cube, knoor, that's knoor cube, and adding white pepper. I see, for fried rice, I don't joke with, you see, ginger, garlic, white pepper. I don't joke with it, and obviously meat stock in my in my fried rice. So added more water. Basmati doesn't need a lot of water. Please put that in mind. And then I'm adding salt. Salt is usually the last thing. I cover with my parchment paper, and about 20 to 25 minutes later I'll be back. This rice is about 80% cooked. I'm just going to fluff it, and just to be sure that we're, we're on the right track, tasted it, and then I saw that it's about 80% cooked. I don't want it to be obviously 100% cooked because we're still going to add veggies and put it back on the fire. So yeah, moving on to for vegetable, I made a mistake here, but I still decided to show it because yes. So some parts of this prawns were still frozen. You guys can see the water. So it actually now, by the time I poured it into the hot oil, you guys, I don't know if you can see the water. Like it just messed the whole thing up. So I just allowed it to finish frying and cooking at the same time, and then I brought it out. I had to pour the oil out and then added another vegetable oils. And I apologize about this part of the video. My camera wasn't filming the whole thing, and it was really annoying when I found out. But then you guys can still see like 70% of the um video, so please, just I apologize about that. So I'm just putting my veggies into the hot oil, and after putting it, this is my turkey cut. the one that I set aside that time, I air fried it. And you guys remember I said you can fry yours, it will still turn out really nice. So after putting these veggies together, you guys, we have a lot of veggies going on there, like so then the next thing would be for you to spice your veggies. Like you really need to, obviously not a lot. For these veggies I'm just using one knoor cube, that's the two cubes in one. And then spice it with everything, like white pepper. Like I told you, I don't joke with white pepper. White pepper is really flavorful, trust me. My white pepper, um my seasoning powder, my black pepper, and everything, just so that my vegetable has like really rich and nice taste. And I've added the prawns as well. I'm just going to leave it to keep cooking before adding my um my green peas and spring onions and green beans. Guys, this is, you see why this is vegetable fried rice, a lot of vegetables there, so it's actually the healthy version of well, fried rice is actually healthy, but then like this particular one is extra healthy because we have a lot of vegetables going on. So I allowed it to cook. Now that it has finished cooking, it's time to mix the veggies into the rice, and that's what I'm just doing. I'm just going to pour it in and just use my spoon to, you know, mix everything together, just so that every part of the rice has vegetable. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. So you need to take your time, guys. It's just really easy. Like I said, I'm going to put the list of the ingredients that I used. Everything is just, trust me, I'm going to put everything in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. Like I also have a lot of recipes on my channel, please don't forget to check that out as well. If you watched to this point and you are not yet subscribed, please, I am begging you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1000 subscribers, so please guys, just encourage this girl and subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends. If you guys have, you know, recipes that you'd like me to try out, kindly put it in the comment section as well. Like I'll be excited to check it out and film for you guys. So yes, this rice is quite a lot. Like I like to bulk cook and just put it in the freezer, so that like just to have easy life, guys, so that when you are hungry you don't have to start thinking about what to cook or what to eat. You just go to the freezer, fridge, bring out a portion and just microwave and you're good to go. So that's why I like always make bulk meals. And plus I don't live alone, so everybody in the house would have something to, you know, eat. Yes. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I have like quite a lot of videos on my channel and I'm proud of myself. Like I literally just started this channel. It's barely 2 months, and yeah, the I'm just really proud of myself. So please kindly support me on this journey. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, you've supported me and God will bless you. Please. So you guys, look at the rice. So rice is ready, so you guys should bring your plates. Bring your plates, let me serve you, or let me just send it through DHL, or just post it to you. So please guys, thank you so much for your for everything. Thank you for supporting this girl. Thank you for watching my videos. Like when I started this channel, like I did not even think anybody was going to subscribe. Now we're on 300 subscribers. Like it means a lot to me, guys. It's really like I'm excited. So please, if you're yet to subscribe, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.